Welcome. This meditation is perfect when you need to take a break to energize and restore. The breath, present moment, and imagination are easy to put into practice for this purpose. Let's begin. Find a comfortable sitting position with an upright spine, long neck, shoulders are down and back with your eyes closed. Take a few moments to settle into stillness and let go of everything that requires your attention. Don't worry, you can return to your activities shortly, energized and ready to continue with your day. For now, let go. Move your attention to your breath now, allowing your breathing pattern to come to an easy flowing rhythm. Next, breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Are you able to do this nasal breathing? Just do the best you can and practice for a few breaths. There are fine hairs in your nose that filter the air you breathe. If you continually only breathe in through your nose without breathing out through your nose, these fine hairs will flatten. Filtration will not happen. And if you consistently breathe in and out through your mouth, the air you breathe in is not filtered. Filtration of the air you breathe is important for your health. Let's incorporate nasal breathing with healthy abdominal breathing to enliven and oxygenate your body and your brain, keeping your energy levels up. Take a nice long breath in through your nose so that your belly rises and your lungs expand. Breathe out as smoothly as you can through your nose and relax. Continue nasal and abdominal breathing for a few breaths. Become aware of your body now, expanding and contracting as you breathe in and out, absorbing energizing oxygen. Your belly rises and falls as you abdominal breathe, and your rib cage expands and contracts. Keep going in your own time with alert presence. I will leave you for a minute whilst you follow your breathing, belly rising and falling as you move into a flow. You will hear a chime when I am about to speak again. You have brought yourself into the present moment and are now able to glean all the benefits from this time you're taking to energize. Now imagine or sense the bright lights of 100 candles. With each inhale, the light is filling you with uplifting energy and vitality. With each exhale, you naturally relax your entire body and let go of any tiredness or stress. Inhale, the light is filling you with uplifting energy and vitality. Exhale, you naturally relax your entire body and let go of any tiredness or stress. Your body is filled with energizing light. Continue to observe your breath and your body expanding and contracting. And as you do, you notice you are overflowing with the light of the candles. The high energy and vitality from the light feels incredible. It runs through you and all around you, encasing you in a bubble of energetic vibrancy. Breathe in and breathe out, connecting to the vibrancy and the vitality of the light. Your body is moving, contracting, expanding in the light bubble, and any residual tiredness or stress has completely left your body, leaving you completely energized. To anchor this high energy into your body, if you're lying down, bend your knees and place your feet flat. If you're sitting, can you also place your feet flat on the ground? Now feel your feet connected to the ground whilst you are still encased in the bubble of energizing light. Imagine or sense as you inhale, the light travels with your breath down your legs, through your feet, and deep into the core of the earth. You have anchored yourself in the light bubble. This will give you energy for the remainder of the day. Well done. You are feeling energized and restored. When you are ready, you can open your eyes and wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body, ready to carry on with your day. I have included a link in the description below the video to a piece of music that follows on from this meditation. It is called Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. Enjoy it now to add to your high energy, or enjoy it later when moving about. That brings our time together to a close. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope you've received some value from this meditation. Please leave a comment, click the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, where you will find many more meditations to choose from. Enjoy your day, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.